Hello guys, it's Tactical Gaming Network here. It's been a long time since I've put up a video. I do apologise. Had a few complications since my last video was put up, but it's should be sorted now. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a 1.7.10 Bukkit server on Minecraft. So you need to go to this page here. Link will be in the description as always. Once you're here, you want to choose the latest version. Currently it's 3.1.05. So you want to press the little arrow there to download it, and should appear just down here. There we go. Once it comes up like this type of file can harm your computer. Just press keep, because Google Chrome's quite, it's got good security on it, so it just asks you those things. Wait for it to download. My download's been quite slow today, so it'll take a little bit longer than normal. But nevertheless, once it's done that, it should appear on your desktop right here. There we go. And if not, you want to hit the Windows key and R and type in downloads and hit enter, and it will be in here if it's not on your desktop. You just want to drag it onto your desktop because it's easier. Next thing you want to do is create a new folder and call it Bukkit 1.7.10 server. It doesn't matter what you call it, I'm just going to call it that because it is the Bukkit server, so it makes sense. You want to go into it and make sure you drag the craftbukkit file into that. Then you want to rename it to just craftbukkit, or whatever you want really, but craftbukkit is easier, very much easier. I would recommend doing it. Once you've named it to craftbukkit, you want to double click craftbukkit, and then this will generate 3 files. It takes a little bit of time, I'm not sure why. There's one, there's the other 2. Once you've done that, you want to head over into the EULA text document. You want to copy this link and put it into your internet browser and read the terms and conditions and the rules of having a server. Once you've done that, change EUL equals to true, save it, and then close out of it. Once you've done that, you can then double click craftbukkit again, and it will generate all the files for your server. And as you can see there, all our files are done. There you got your plugins folder and stuff like that. Next thing we need to do is create a new text document within this folder. Don't need to call it anything yet. You want to open it up, and you want to get one of these pieces of code here. They'll all be in the description. First of all, you need to find out how much gigabytes of RAM your computer has. So if you don't know how to do that, you want to go to your start bar at the bottom left, or if you're on Windows 8, you can go up here and search for computer. Oops, that failed. My computer. Sorry. Yeah, so this PC, right click and go to properties. It will bring up this, tell you what operating system you're running on, and then here it will say, under system, it will say installed memory in brackets RAM. So mine's 16 gigabytes, so I'm okay to, I'm just going to pick the 3 gigabyte one, but I could pick the 6 gigabyte one. Don't put, if you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, don't do like 10 or something stupid like that, because your computer will not like it. So once you've done that, copy and paste that into here. So, oops, just going to undo that. So copy it and paste it right here. 3072 is the 3 gigabytes of RAM. So you want to file, save as, call it start.bat, something useful like that, but it has to have .bat at the end. Then you, instead of normal text file, you need to change this to all types, and then press save. And as you can see, if you're running Notepad++, the colour will change. So close that, and it will now create this file here. You can now delete the text document because you don't need it anymore. Once this file has been created, before you start it, make sure you go into your server properties and put the IP of your server in. I just need to, I'm using Hamachi, so open up Hamachi, and I'm going to copy my IPv4 address into here. If you port forward, then put your port forwarded IP address in there. Save it, close out of it. You can change other server settings, but I'm not going to in this video. Then double click your start.bat file. It'll say loading libraries, please wait. It's just reading the code, and for me it says failed to bind to port, probably because I have another server running. So if I just go to Task Manager and quickly, there we go, Java. If it says that for you, you probably have another server running on the same port. So go to Task Manager and see anything that says Java TM Platform SE binary, just close it down, end the task. And if I double click it again, you'll see that it should work now. Loading libraries, please wait, and boom, there we go. Preparing spawn area, and then while your server's doing that, there we go, it's done. As you can see, you can start your Minecraft up, and make sure you select the right profile. I'm just going to use my Forge profile. It'll take a little bit longer to load up. Make sure as well that you go ahead and op yourself by typing op and then your name. That will op yourself, as you can see there. I will also show you how to install plugins as well in a second. So go to multiplayer, and you can add the server into your servers. There, as you can see, it's open. If we just join up, you can see that we're in our server. So last thing I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to install plugins. So where you want to go, I'm not sure what the website is, so I'm just going to type in Bukkit plugins, and as you can see, bukkit.plugins.org. It will take you to this page, and you can search for whatever you want. Now the ones I'm looking for are not easy to find on there, so if you want essentials, I recommend just searching for it. Essentials Bukkit. This isn't the one. It doesn't matter for this video. I'm just going to download essentials. Download. This works for any plugin. Give you a zip file. It might not give you a zip file, but it depends. You'll get either one file or loads or whatever. Just simply drag them all into the plugins folder, and that's it. You're done. All you need to do now is you can either type reload in your server, and it will reload. There you go, reload complete. And now if we go ahead and join the server, like so, you can see if we type /help, you can see that we now have essentials installed on our server. So we can type /balance and spell it right. We have 0, so you can do /afk, and you get the point. You can do anything like that. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps me out a lot. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.